All right, so the settings tab is next. Very important that you have this template up here in the top right. So this is a basic pack closets template, and this is going to fill out all of your settings for the pack library. You can of course change anything in here that you want to, but the basics are all there. So we want to be using our inline frameless hinges, right? Because that will straddle the 37 mm line bore in the front. Also, the next tab over is going to be drawers and tray boxes. So you'll notice that the naming system, there's always an underscore PAC. During your setup or at the beginning, if you want to change these names, you better do it at the beginning before you have a bunch of jobs. Because you will, if you change the name, you'll have to go through here and reselect these for the template. Not the end of the world, but it does help to just keep them as pack, in my experience. So these are metal drawer boxes, that's why they're blanked out to the left. You can use whichever drawer boxes you want, but these are the recommended. End panels are just going to all be slab. Now this may change a little bit if you don't have pre-mill on your edge bander, but we'll get into that in another video. Materials, very straightforward. This is version 14 obviously, so it's looking a little more complex. The textures, I still have the basic stainless steel. I haven't even used any of these yet, but they will be very useful for our renders if we want to do that. The library, of course, is the pack closet library, and this construction method during the time of this video is closets 1.2 Titus 6. And then we have miscellaneous closet rods. This does matter. Don't use your default oval rod because it won't line up the same. It just won't look right visually. Obviously, it doesn't really matter where this is because these closet rods are going off of the line bore. They're not making their own holes. The shelf pins are basically Titus Q-peg or K-line shelf pin. You can get both of these from Phill, I believe, both from Richelieu or one or the other. You can look inside of your hardware and accessories list to figure out exactly where you can find these. Not using adjustable legs, this may change in the future, or if you want to do your island cabinets with full boxes, then you would pull from your own frameless library. Spotlights and linear lights, very useful for renders. Nothing in the specs, and let's just make sure we didn't miss anything back here. Oh, you will notice that there is a specific door library, the pack closet door library. This has pricing attached to it, so it is important. You'll also notice this little orange dot on the bottom back of all the drawer fronts. This does help your assemblers understand what side is down on the drawer box, so I would keep that around. It's a little 5 mil PEC. And the last piece of this, ignore the job dashboard unless you have enterprise, but room notes is a new V14 piece. I haven't filled anything out here, but we can add new fields and we could make this a room checklist for our job, which I plan on doing in the future and making some videos for you. But this is a feature to really keep your eye on because it can help you streamline the drafting and information process, pushing everything out to the shop.